Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Chatgpt Preauth Playintegrity verification failed issue. If you're trying to sign up your Chatgpt or maybe you just want to use it but you get the error which says the Preauth Playintegrity verification failed, you have tried multiple ways to fix it but couldn't figure out. So don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can do it. So first I'll open the chat GPT and I'll show you how this issue looks and we will see how to figure it out. So this is how the issue occurs. On the top it notifies and you cannot actually sign up or even log in. So if you face the issue, then we will see what could be the reasons behind it and what we have to do to fix this issue. If you're facing this issue, so you are not alone, because this is a sort of error or a glitch related to Google Play Protect or Play Integrity API. So that's why you're having this issue. So there are different ways to fix it because it's a glitch. So there are minor things that you have to do to fix it. First, you have to make sure that your app is up to date, like it's updated. If you open your Play Store, it says that update on ChatGPT. That means this could be the issue behind this update. So what you have to do is that immediately update your app, and once it gets updated you have to open it up. If it works, then well, you can use it, but still you have the issue, then you can go to its settings and you can clear out its cache and its storage. Sometimes the cache has been built up so much it causes issues while using it, so just simply clear out its cache and also clear out its storage. Once you have done it, simply get back and try to open it up, and there are 50 to 80% chances that the issue will be resolved, because most of the people, when they try this solution, this works. But let's say it doesn't work. In that case, you have to just simply uninstall the chat GPT and install it again. Then there are 100% chances that your issue will be resolved. But let's say still you get this issue. In that case, you can just simply check out if you're using any VPN or any sort of security or firewall. If that's the case, then you have to work onto it. Then just simply open it up and you will see that it is working up. Now you can just simply sign up or log in with your account and just simply start using it. If you're using any sort of VPN, RDP, or any other thing that is related to some support and security stuff, in that case you have to figure it out. Whatever you're using, just simply try to turn it off and again turn on your chat gpt app. Once you have tried all the ways, then there are 100% chances that the issue will be resolved. You can just simply open up the chat GPT, start asking whatever you would like to. You can also sign up or log in with your account, and from now on everything will work really well. You can see I asked it a question and now it is replying me because the issue has been resolved. Many users are experiencing this issue where they see the Preauth Play Integrity verification failure, because this is actually sort of the issue related to API or security related to Google Play Store. So if you have this issue, then try out different things like clearing out the space, clearing out the cache, uninstalling the app, or maybe looking for the updates. And also, if you're using the VPN or any other sort of security thing like firewalls or other thing, you just have to simply try them off and just use the chat gpt once again, and that time you will see you would not get any sort of issue. You can just simply use it, you can ask it questions, and if you want to create any picture, video, or whatever purpose you would like to do on chat gpt, you can do it. So that's how you can fix ChatGPT pre-auth play integrity verification failed issue. Just try out the things that I have mentioned in this video and you will see your issue will be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.